Hello there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree, where we demystify math problems for you step by step. In this video, we have another AP Precalculus type of a question from the topic of exponential function context and data modeling. Let's solve it together. Gardening club membership question. A local gardening club tracks its membership growth each year. Select the function that best models the increase in members. T in terms of years and M of T is members. So data is given. T is from 0 till 4, and the years are 120 till 343. So to solve this type of questions, we're going to substitute given value for the T and look for its equivalents. So when I substitute 0 for the T, we're supposed to get 120. So let's check the choices. In choice A, 36 times 0 plus 120, yes, that works. Choice B, 1.3 to the power of 0 is 1 times 120 is 120. And the choice C, 1.3 to the power of 0 is 1 times 120 gives 120. But the choice D, 156 times 0 is 0, so it's not 120. Therefore, we're going to eliminate the choice D. And let's check the second value. When I substitute 1, I'm supposed to get 156. So 36 times 1 is 36 plus 120, 156. It works. 1.3 times 1 to the power of 1 times 120, 156. 1.5 times 120 is 180, not 156. Therefore, the choice C will be eliminated at this case. So let's try the 2, substituting 2. And 36 times 2 is 72 plus 120 is 192, but we were looking for 203. So therefore, this doesn't work. 1.3 times 1.3 to the power of 2 is 1.69 times 120 gives you 203. Therefore, this works. So the correct answer is choice B for this specific question. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time.